pink dough. It looks kind of funny and sparkly. It's getting kind of thick. I think that's a good sign. I think. Whoa, now it looks like pink, glittery, beautiful slime. I think I should put my hands in there. Okay, let's do this. Oh, I didn't know that was gonna happen. Oh my god, it feels so weird like I'm touching goop of something. Oh my. So if you stick all your fingers in like me, you're gonna have a problem because I think you need to just get a little bit of slime and mix it and then get more slime, more slime, and more slime. So yeah, it's a big problem. Oops. Finally. So I'm gonna try to get this off my hand and then I'm gonna play with it and roll into a ball. So some of it stopped sticking so much and turned into slime. So now I grabbed it a bit more and I'm gonna form it into a ball again. Okay, now I'm gonna grab more slime. Oh my god. I'm gonna do this over and over again until the whole thing turns into glow in the dark slime. I made all of this into glow in the dark slime. So now I'm going to turn the lights off so I can play with it in the dark. And ready, set, go! Lights off. Whoa, it's glow in the dark! Oh my god, this is so cool. But in glow in the dark, it kind of doesn't look pink. It kind of like looks orangey, but with the lights on, it looks pink. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot to tell you guys. Look, I'm making a glow in the dark pancake. Want some? Yum, yum, yum. I will now eat it. Okay? I'm gonna try to stretch it as far as I can. Whoa, that's really far. Looks like a jump rope now. Can we play jump rope? I don't think so. Whoa, hey, get it up. Get it up, 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 get it up. Whoop, bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Wow, this is so cool. Look how far I can stretch this glow in the dark slime. Okay, I think that's as far as I can stretch it. That's pretty long. And thank you for watching my video. I hope you subscribe.